Hello friends, this is Amit Parmar and you are welcome back to Modern JavaScript. Today we will see the basic type conversations. So the type conversations means convert one data type to another. For example, string to number or number to string or boolean to string. Mostly JavaScript operators and functions automatically convert the given value to relevant data type. We can take an example of alert function. It always try to convert any value to string. We have also seen the same thing while using the mathematical operators, which try to convert values to numbers. As we are seeing, JavaScript automatically converts the values to relevant or particular data type, but it is not possible every time. So in some cases, we need to do it manually. But before we start type conversation, let's see how we can identify the actual data type of particular value or expression or variable. So basically, type of operator returns the actual data type of an argument path. You can use it like an operator or a function. So let's have a brief look into type of operator. So basically, type of operator will return the actual data type of particular variable, value or expressions. For example, it can return undefined, number, big integer, boolean, string, either this symbol. It can be object or it can return the function. So this was about type of operator. Now we will see the basic three type of conversation. One is string conversation, second one is numeric conversation, third one is boolean conversation. So let's see the string conversation. Anything or any value passed for string conversation become a string value, which is wrapped in single quote or double quote. To convert a value to string function will be used. Let's see an example. First, we have created a boolean variable and checked the type of that variable. So we got the boolean as a result. Now we convert it to string with the string function and check the type of that value. So we got the string as a result. So this was the manual conversion. Now we will see the automatic conversion for a string. Here is an example. We have two variables. One is declared with number and second one with string value. Now we try to make addition of both variable. It will return the concatenate result, means the numeric value plus string value. And if it try to check the data type of the result, it is string. So JavaScript convert number value to string when you try to make addition with number to string variable. Now move to number conversion. So same as the string conversion, we have a number function to convert value to number. Make sure you are passing the proper numeric value to the function, otherwise it will return not a number. This is a code for numeric conversion. We have declared one variable with a string value and converted it to number. As we know, the value declared with a single quote or double quote is a string, but JavaScript convert it to number when we try to make mathematical operations on them. You can see the example where two strings are divided and the result is number. But what if we try to make addition on string. So it will return concatenate string instead of addition of the value. Rest of minus, multiplication or division were same as the number values. In this example, we try to convert some values to number. Where first value has a space, still it convert to number. If we try to make string conversion to number, it will return not a number, NaN. Rest of the thing, true is 1. If it is false, then it will return 0, and if the value is null, it will return 0. Now let's move to Boolean conversion. This one is a very simple conversion. In this conversion, anything which you have passed is a empty string or null or undefined value or not a number value or 0, it will be converted as a false, and if there is something or some value, it will be converted to true. Here are some examples where the value is passed, it is true. If 1 is there, it is true, and rest of the things are false, whether it's a blank or null or 0. So that's it from my side. If you have any query or any suggestions, please write into comments, and see you in the next video. Till then, share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.